Wix is known for giving users lots of flexibility. It has tools for everything from portfolios and blogs to small business websites and online stores. It's great if you want to balance between AI ease and full creative control when needed. You start with Wix AI Website Creator, their AI-powered setup tool. It asks a few quick questions about your site, then builds a complete layout for you. It includes placeholder content, a color palette, and images. From there, you can start to customize everything using the editor. Researching for this video was actually the first time I personally used Wix. And the editor itself is good for a beginner like me. It's drag and drop, but unlike other builders, Wix lets you place elements anywhere instead of snapping to a grid. You also get more control over margins and padding, so you can space elements how you'd like. This is great for creative freedom, especially if you have some design skills or familiarity with website builders. But it can feel a little overwhelming if you're just starting out. And I noticed that I was slower to find and learn settings than I was with some of the other website builders. Wix also gives you access to over 900 templates and an app market with tools for marketing, scheduling, online orders, and more. You'll have a lot of flexibility with your website with support for blogs, memberships, paid plans, and online courses. The trade-off with all the power and flexibility that Wix provides is that it's more complex than the other options that I'll show you. Wix gives you room to grow into the more advanced features over time, but if you're making a simpler site or want to get your website running quickly, it might be overkill. Wix has a free plan with a Wix subdomain, which is great for testing, but it includes the Wix branding. Paid plans start at $17 a month for the Lite plan, which removes ads and allows for a custom domain. The Core plan at $29 a month adds more storage, more collaborators, and payment tools. The Business plan at $39 a month builds on the Core plan, and Business Elite at $159 a month includes the full feature set, including advanced analytics and all the e-commerce tools.